My voiceover is not going to be stating the procedure of how I made my Nigerian jollof rice, but I'm going to be leaving you the step in the video as we go along. I just want to share something and I want people to put your mouth. Let me know if I am wrong or if I am right. Please help me judge this matter. Hi people, welcome to my vlog. My name is Susan and this is where I share all things DIY, craft, recipe, vlog, family lifestyle, you just name it. So let's get to the main gist. So sometimes last week I went to visit one of my friends. Her name is Ngozi. When I got there, she was rounding up the food she was cooking. It was almost dinner time. She started rounding up the food she was cooking. I tried help her to round up. You know, home training not like to sit and be watching TV while your friend or your host is working. After everything, she now said that she want to serve me what she cook. She made rice and stew. Nigerian stew. I said no, she should not worry that me have eaten in the house. I don't want to. Beside, now this economy everybody is managing. It's not as if I told her I was coming before. I now cook and put my own mouth. She now said, how bad? What kind of thing is that? Anytime she comes to my own place, I will cook, I will give her, or if I bake, I will give her, she'll eat. But now reach her own tongue, I don't want to eat. That's how our friendship is. This and that. I said, don't vex you, oh yeah, bring the rice and stew, let me eat. She gave me. And I ate. Now, one meal is already settled. And then I took the plate. I went to go and wash it. She now said, no, I should not wash it. Just drop the plate. I should wash it later. I said, no, that is not how it's supposed to be done. No. Home training not like to drop plate, dirty plates in the kitchen after your host has already served you. She said, okay, no wahala. We're now washing plates and we're gisting. All of a sudden, she now changed topic. I said, but Suzy, you didn't even tell me how the food tasted. Was it good? Was it nice? I said, sorry, the food is very good. It was very, very good. She now said, very, very good. Very, very good. I said, it was very, very good. I don't understand the pitch in her voice. She now said, no, I should not be sure. I should give her the details. And as a Christian, they say we should not lie. I said, okay, the details. I said, well, the food was okay, but you see that rice, it remained just small. I will have asked you if it was Lot's wife recipe you were making. Now the salt was already becoming too much. He said, I said, yes, so I don't know whether it was Lot's wife recipe you were making, We shall laugh over it, She now said, and the stew. I said the stew is okay, it's okay. Only that I've almost finished Dragolis water, the bottled water you gave me. Because pepper, small child cannot eat this your stew. She said, okay, and then I discovered that she was not into the gist like that. I told her I'm going, thank you, every time I've cleaned up and everything. She said, thank you. I left. Only for me to go to the market during the weekend. I saw my neighbor. NTA do not do reach her own. You don't need to call her. She will just call you as far as she knows your face. She will just call you and be giving you gist and gossip that doesn't concern you. So when I saw in the mic, I was trying to dodge her. I don't know when she just shouted, Suzy, how far? Happy weekend, blah, blah, blah. I said, thank you. I said, let me quickly rush home and go and prepare something. He said, where am I rushing to? In this life, you have to check on one another. I said, yes, that's true. I said, hey, that reminds me. Ngozi, she saw Ngozi. Ngozi was telling her that me, I did something that she didn't like. I said, what did I do? She said, Ngozi said, I came to her house and then she gave me, she had gisting and she served me food and I was eating. Then later I was not telling her that her food is not good. Her food is this, that she would put too much pepper, too much salt. I said, that's why Ngozi told you. She said, yes. I said, okay, I will see Ngozi. What was not going? I said, what did I say that is good? That is wrong, rather. She asked me if her food was okay. I said the food was okay. She now said I should give her my honest opinion about the food. And I said, I don't want to lie. And I told her how I felt about the food. What have I done now that is wrong? That Madam NT has already carried the whole news up about. I don't know. What did I do that is wrong? Did I say something that is bad? She asked for my opinion and I gave her my opinion. So what did I say that was wrong? Let me judge this matter. So to all my OGs, youth subscribers, those of you that have been giving me the vibes, the push, thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. And to all new viewers who have stayed glued to this video to this point, thank you so much. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, leave me a comment of where you are watching my video from so that I can leave you a special hug during my next video. And also don't forget to share the video. This will make YouTube know that, oh, this person is sharing something valuable, and be able to push my video to viewers that have the same interest as you do. Thank you so much for your support. I beg, let me test my rice a little bit. Thank you so much for your support. Please, leave me in the comment section if what I did was right or wrong. Bye bye.